Wait, let me
An
double
error
check.
occurred. An error occurred. It said, "Hold on now, 1 second." It says you're
Oh,
live.
you're right. Yeah.
It might be a different link. I don't know. Is it the same
Yeah, let
link?
me try. See.
Wait, it says waiting for. What the hell's going on? No, there's. Oh, okay. Oh no. Okay, it's live. I don't know if it's the same link or a different link though. But I went live again.
That's weird.
Yeah. Right. You didn't hit anything on your way out earlier? I don't know.
No, I only exited out on my end though.
Okay.
I
don't
just
know.
sent out the
Anyway,
new link, so we'll see.
Okay. Is it a new link?
I don't know. I have no idea. I just logged out on my end, so that was weird.
Check the original link you put out. Does it still work?
I'm trying it now.
IMPP has been a disappointment today. How's oil doing? Oil up there. Oh my gosh, Yosef, did he see I was buying GLD calls yesterday? I made 80% on GLD calls yesterday. I bought it.
Wow, well done.
I bought it right at the 20 DMA. It was such a no-brainer.
Yeah. I remember you
Oh
speaking
my
about
god, it was such a no-brainer. But I only did like 0.5%. Like so.
Yeah.
All right, finally IWM's cracking. All right, hopefully we'll go right back down to the lows. How low you think we can go, Dougie, on this IWM, the second drop here?
On that one right here, let's see. It is pulling back. It's hitting the 20 right now. It might just bounce right back off of it. I don't know.
I want it to go back to like 244.
I mean, if anything, it's going to 244. Exactly what you just said, 244.88. But we'll see if it gets that. It might just try to bounce right here. It is trying to curl back off the MACD. It is trying to bounce. Let's see if it does it.
Hey, that little INBS is starting to move a little bit. But it's kind of dead. I don't know. The volume's not there. Oh, I missed the reload on LDI.
Ben, you have a big position in LDI, right?
Yeah, let me tell you my allocation.
It is looking pretty good.
14% common shares and 0.5% in calls.
What, really? I thought you had more calls. Is
no.
0.5 like your cap type of thing?
No, my cap is 1.5.
So how come you're not there yet?
How many times I've lost a lot of money on LDI calls. I wasn't going to reload the full.
Actually, yeah, you're right. Me too.
I've been doing LDI calls like week after week for like whatever.
Initially, I was thinking that LDI would be a good one instead of IWM to play LDI calls for CPI, light CPI. But then I'm thinking, but also, I don't know, being burnt like that. Like I remember there was one day that IWM was doing great and LDI was crashing. Like
that's true.
I can't remember what day that was.
It was the day after. It was the day after they cut the rates.
Yeah, that was it. Yeah,
right. Exactly. LDI exploded the day before into the rate cut, and then after the rate cut, everything, all the risk assets explodes. IWM explodes, and LDI goes down. And I'm still not satisfied with what the Godfather tells me. He's like, yeah, it's obviously down because the 10-year rates have not gone down yet or something. I'm like, okay, why does the rest of the market not care about what the current 10-year rate is? The rest of the market only cares about what the future rates are going to be, but only LDI cares about what the current rates are. Like I pushed them on this like 5 times, and I don't know. I just don't understand, why you get speculative value on all the other risk assets, but in this sector, it just collapsed after. I don't get it.
I mean, I don't understand.
Maybe it just ran up too much. It just ran up too much ahead of time.
It ran up too much beforehand, and then
that's all it was.
Pulling back.
That's what it was.
And then we caught it perfectly for the to run up there. Yeah, did you guys see that NBA betting scandal? The FBI has a press release. The season just started, and like one of the star players and a coach just got locked up by the FBI for
really?
gambling.
Like Pete Rose type of stuff?
Yeah, I guess so. It must be even probably bigger than that. So who the hell knows what they're
Poor guy. I can't believe they didn't put him in the Hall of Fame like when he was on his deathbed. ONDS breaks 7.
Ooh.
Are you too young to? Did he see ever Pete Rose play?
Oh,
were you around 1980 World Series? How old were you?
I was just born during that World Series, but
Yeah.
I knew Pete Rose because he was a Phillies player. Well,
I've seen the videos.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen videos. I obviously wasn't going to watch them live, but
yeah. I mean, that
Charlie
hustle. ONDS finally doing what I thought it would do. I wish I'd had more size. I did 5%.
I gotta tell you this real quick. Ready?
Yeah.
Cash Patel revealed several notorious mafia families were involved in the illegal gambling scheme that has rocked the NBA. I don't even know what's going on, but yeah, they got crime families. Holy cow! It sounds like that sounds like it's about to be a movie. That's crazy. Astonishing decades-long NBA gambling ring exposed.
Well, this
doesn't surprise me.
IWM doesn't look like it wants to dip, but let's see.
I'm very sad about that.
I mean, I got very small into these 246. I'm up like 3%.
It may come dipping down right around now, so be careful.
Yeah. That's why I'm not adding.
You might be running up to that top and coming down now.
Yeah.
That's what I've been trying to watch out for to see. Even the SPY.
I better make money today because Yosef, you had no idea. This is the most work I ever put into a morning note. Was today's.
Wait, really? I thought.
No.
Damn.
I heard the show. I thought you were very. Oh, I see. Wait, why?
There's just so much I had to research a lot about oil and what was going on with oil and all the Trump stuff that was going on, and also it was just a stressful period because yesterday was probably the worst day. I think yesterday was the last really bad day for the risk asset drop. So
I've been pretty lucky, man. With what's this? Hold on a second. I've been pretty lucky with dodging bad days. Like one of the big bad days was the Chol Moed, which I was taking off.
Yeah.
And yesterday, I had traded beyond. I was all out, and I was just in Tesla. And Tesla didn't really do as bad as the overall market, and the premiums kind of stayed up, so I didn't really lose much. I was only in 10, and then I just sold it at the end of the day.
I beat you. I made money on Tesla calls yesterday. Yosef.
Oh, you did? Wow, well done. Oh, it's true. Yeah, I saw you did. Well done. You did.
And TSLA calls. But
the eyes rolling back up.
Like $400.
Wow.
Yeah.
No, overall this week I made money on Tesla, but it just pained me to lose what was left over earnings. So I'm happy that I was able to make that back today.
It's almost never worth it to hold for earnings. I don't know.
Yeah, it's greed, man. It's so enticing. Thank God I used to hold much more, but I sold 80%. So I only had 20%, but which is pretty good. That's like 2% of the whole account. So
LDI running back up. Dude, we caught the very top.
Yeah, I know, but
the very bottom on the dip today.
I didn't reload here, though.
There you go, everybody.
What are you thinking, VKTX? Buy this dip or?
It's hard. These biotechs are so hard.
Yeah, I know. You don't have to tell me. You know much money.
Biotechs are so hard.
I don't
like
trust
the hardest
right
thing
there.
ever, especially for short-term price action. Biotechs.
I don't exactly trust it. I think it might be pulling back.
I can get some cheap calls. Maybe I get some cheap calls.
I'd be watching any dips on Microsoft. I'm telling you, it looks so good. Something's going on. They're gonna have some kind of news.
Wow, look at LDI. Okay, so I have some calls expiring tomorrow that I'm trying to sell, Yosef, on LDI.
That's nice.
I'm not making much money. I bought it weeks ago, and I'm like at break even on them. It's a $3 expiring tomorrow. My cost average is 33 cents, and I'm trying to sell them for 40 cents.
A little profit. I got out of mine up there. Let's see. It may try to run up right here a little bit more. You might get it. We'll see.
I'm confused now. Hold on a second. $3. Okay. I'm trying to sell them a 40. It's 25 by 35 now. Yeah. Which LDI calls do you have, Yosef?
Let me see. I have the $3 calls expiring tomorrow.
That's the same one I have. What's your cost average?
Cost average is 20 cents.
Oh wow! So I have it at 30. You must have bought it more recently, right?
Yeah, I bought it this week. Yeah.
Oh, I bought it like weeks ago or for 33.
Yeah, I mean, look, I've lost a lot of money on LDI in the past month or whatever it was, but yeah, at least this is making up for it somewhat.
I bought it October 16th. Oh, I bought it last Friday. I bought it last Friday for 33, and then you bought it for 20 cents at the beginning. You beat me on the entry. Oh.
Yeah.
Nice
we
job.
should have just waited, Ben.
Yeah. Oh, I bought that with you. We bought it.
That's
what
I sold mine, and I remember I had gotten a little bit cheaper than you for whatever reason, I forget, but yeah, mine was up a little bit, and you were saying you're break even, so I was like, yeah, let me get out of this thing because they're gonna expire, and then we're gonna be screwed.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if this.
Oh, I forgot. Why the hell did I go in AREB? Oh my god! Even 1,000 shares on these little micro caps can kill you. I can't believe it. I bought 1,000 shares and I'm down like $500-600. I mean, I that wipes out the IWM gains I had. So sad. I gotta stop playing these little micro caps.
Which one was it? Intelligent Bio or something?
That too. No, but I'm talking about AREB.
Oh.
I'm down on AREB. I bought 1,000 shares at like near the high of the day.
Okay, I just want to let you know, it might not work. I didn't go full position. I went like 1%. VKTX $35 calls tomorrow, 45 cents. A little bit whatever. Let's see. High of day is 36.11. If it goes back to that, we double.
Wow.
Let's see what happens. Small size. So
I think that's small. Wow.
I mean, small for me, I guess.
You're willing to lose 1.5% of your account value on that. That's crazy. All right.
Yeah.
I'm not willing to do that.
He plays risk and reward hardcore.
That if I'm wrong on that one thing, it'll ruin my whole outperformance.
I mean, look, at the moment, just from LDI profits, like I'm covered. I'm more than covered, like 2-3 times already on this size. So
wow, amazing.
You know, I don't know. Whatever. I have my own calculation going on. I don't know if it's right, but
wow,
it works out.
Whatever works for you, I say. Everybody has their own style.
That's amazing.
Honestly, sometimes when the market's right and I start playing the options heavy like you, holy cow, it's just unbelievable.
Yeah,
your account can grow like 100K, like in the snap of a finger. I've done it so many times. You can lose it quick too. Don't get me wrong. When you get, that's why I talk about times like this when it's rocky. I tend to just step out. I've learned because if you try to play a lot of options in these times, you can get beat up and give back a lot of profits. I've done it before. I literally run up like over 100 grand in like literally like a month, less than a month, and then just got a little too aggressive. When I was telling everyone, watch, the market might pull back, and I'm still playing these things too hardcore, and I pull back, and then your time decay and everything, it just eats you up. And if you get heavy into them, it'll definitely bring your profits right back down. So I've learned my lessons, but I do tend to get a little aggressive in them when the market, and Ben, this ain't our type of market right here when it's choppy like this. We've talked about it, but when it's like just a normal market, or even when the market's going down, I can tend to do pretty well doing the options and pretty aggressively like that. So I've learned when to do it aggressive and which ones, and when to kind of step back and just kind of play some stocks and just kind of almost mess around. I look at it like, and just try to make some profits. But I do well now with the options. I used to do great with penny stocks, and now I do better with options. So I do get aggressive sometimes like that. And your account, it just can get crazy fast. And, but it could also go the wrong way for you.
Yeah, I've seen both sides plenty.
Anyone that does it, they've seen both sides real quick. And Ben's sitting there laughing because we've all seen it, guys. And I'm talking like I've seen 6 figures swing like in a week, like it was no big deal, like up and down. I've told the story before, and it's kind of crazy. I've seen my account go up over 100K and down 100K all in the same week, and then rebound back up. It was insane. And you want to talk about adrenaline rushes and craziness, but I think that kind of trading can get a little wild, and when you get up like that, you just got to kind of take them profits and say, all right, I just did
that's the key. The key is to take out. Like I remember one of the biggest wins this year was MP for me, when the news came out, Ben was like, this is going, it dipped, this is going higher. So I really loaded the board. I think I probably put like $150,000, $180,000 in calls.
Crazy.
And it like went to 500K. I was like, what? So I had to take out. And that was one of the biggest days that I had. And I learned from losing so much, like in days after big wins. So I withdrew like a big chunk.
Nice. Yeah, no, that's why I tend to sell a little early now. I even say it and I laugh about it when they go up higher, but it's just been so many years of every time. I mean, I should have owned private islands if all the 100%. If I would just sold when I was supposed to.
Yeah, very true.
Pop on nuclear here. I'm taking my profit. I'm gonna go all out on this at 894.
Oh yeah, look at that 8-9. Oh man, we were so early to the party on that yesterday, Ben.
I know, but
that's all good.
I think I looked at that money I make is getting wiped out in ARAP. I really got to stop playing these penny stocks, man.
Yeah, I said that was at the top there earlier. Now's a good time to enter. I wouldn't lie.
ARAP
64. I wouldn't now. I mean, if I was going to be playing it, that's why I just kind of let these bounce around when they jump up in the morning, because they'll pull back down and then run up at least one time. And it's usually, look, 11 o'clock, right around this time. And I've kind of worked the market. If it dips in the morning, you can find it run back up around now. And if it runs up early, like it did today, you see that pullback right before 11 and then see it bounce. It's almost like you can time it out. And again, that's why I've been loving doing the morning shows with you guys. I'm so comfortable, and I can just see I've been picking up the patterns on it. And like I said, as the market gets out of this choppiness, we're going to absolutely destroy things, especially when everything's going to be down at great levels for us.
Look at TMDX. I don't know. Like I'm trying to think. You got the VKTX calls, and this is. You're very good at buying dips. I'm not. I look at these two charts and I'm like, if I was going to buy a call in something, I'd rather buy it in
TMDX
going in the right direction. Like this is going the wrong direction. But that also can play against me because then I'm gonna have to buy the calls expensive, and then sometimes I'm buying it at the top. But they had news this morning that an analyst come out with a price target increase, expecting the earnings report to be good, as I expect myself. Earnings are on. Oh, it's next week already, October 29th. Wow. What day of the week is October 29th? So their earnings are next Wednesday already.
Yeah.
So this is the ER anticipation run is starting with this analyst. It's up 6%. The next target would be 128.74. Another $2 from here. Look at this. Look at that spike.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I tend to do stuff like this, but doesn't work out too well for me. For the most part, I have to be honest with you. 125, 130. Look at these call options.
No, they're so expensive, man.
They're so expensive. They're so expensive.
It's hard for me to
look at this. Oh, I should have just done common shares today on this thing. That's a $2 move right there in a few minutes. I'm gonna keep this on my radar. I usually do play. What's that?
Tesla, just a nice little spike. I think I have a bit left. I just want to make sure.
Oh, you're still in it? Wow. I don't know how you do that. That's craziness.
Ooh,
yeah, it's spiking up pretty good.
Wow, look at that. That's a big spike. Wow, huge spike.
Okay, let's sell this. Come on, this better sell.
Wow.
Get the heck out of it.
Where is it? 510 sell. Sold, baby. Oh,
wow. Yes. Amazing.
Sold at 510. Wow.
Which option was that?
4:30 calls tomorrow.
Oh, wow.
I just sold it for $5.10.
You bought these this morning?
$3, yeah.
Wow.
Nice
amazing.
job.
Wow.
Something. Look at that.
Just
wow.
And now more.
I have a few runners left.
Oh, they're 555 now, 560. Oh, 575.
Wow, look at that. I have 25. I have 25 calls left.
Oh my gosh.
Run up 585.
Wow, look at that. 85%. Let me see. I think I'm gonna sell. What are they now? 6 yet? I don't know.
Yeah,
there you go. You're getting into that top area. It's running up a little more for you.
20 at 6, 12 grand. Wow.
Let it run up a little bit more if you want.
That
and then
is
I would.
crazy.
Yeah, there you go. That's
Okay, sold
right
at 605, another 20. Okay, I have 5 left. Maybe I'll just leave them. What's
Wow.
that? What's 5? That's nothing now. Let me see.
That is crazy. Who could have predicted this
That's
chart
incredible.
today?
That's awesome, dude.
Wow.
413 to
fantastic.
428.
That's fantastic.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, look at TMDX is still going. Jeez.
Oh, my gosh. Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that bad boy.
VKTX not looking so pretty over here. What the shit?
Nah, it's dipped
Below
down.
these lines. I don't like this. I mean,
yeah, I know.
look, whatever. I am okay. Let's see.
Oh, wait, am I still in this?
I'm not gonna add anymore.
I was in. Did I buy? I totally forgot. Oh shoot! I'm in the stock. I forgot I'm in it. Oh man, I totally forgot. I totally forgot I'm in this. I bought this.
Which one? EMDX?
VKTX.
Oh, not the Viking.
No, the common shares. I totally forgot I'm in it. I would have sold this a while ago. I don't. This
Oh, wait a couple minutes because now it's about to curl back up. So.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see then.
Oh my gosh, I totally forgot I was in this. Jeez.
I mean, it's not looking great, but for the day, you might get this curl up right here. So I think
$40 calls are 5 cents. Nah, it's too crazy.
Yeah, they're crazy. I was looking at them already. Yeah, I think you're getting into that bottom for the day, and then you're gonna get a little curl up. That's what it looks like at the moment.
You do have.
I'm not gonna add. I mean, it's enticing to me to add, but I'm not gonna add.
Joseph, check out Microsoft. Holy cow!
Oh yeah, Microsoft, man, you've been on there. Let me see.
They have something going on.
Wow, something's going on. Yeah. Yo, by the way, I do want to say I love that you joined the show, Dougie. I think you add a lot of value.
Oh, thank you.
It's nice to hear you like banter with Ben about stocks and give your analysis. I really like it. I enjoy it.
Appreciate it. No, I have a great time. Ben's awesome. We've vibed right from day one.
Yeah, the vibe is good. Yeah, you guys vibe well. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Ben and I have a good like we're just good together. Like we're on the same page. Even when we're not, it's good because we have great conversations about things. And I maybe because we grew up like 2 towns apart from each other, it's kind of crazy.
Oh no way!
And,
wow.
Yeah, when he told me where he goes, I was like, "What? That's pretty wild, Ben." We lived right next to each other practically our whole lives. But anyway, yeah, no, it's a good mix. I think it's a great fit between the two of us. And even when Brett's on and laptop track, it's just a good team.
Yeah, it's true.
And I have a great time doing it. I think it helps out everybody, even myself, Ben, and all the listeners.
Yeah, LDI high day here. Let's see if I can sell these calls finally.
Microsoft. Wait, Microsoft is there some news or it's just?
No, it just looks pretty good. I'm saying they're gonna have something coming out. I think just the way it's set up, you can just see it. It's gonna get popping right here.
520 calls tomorrow are $4.40 on the ask. Should I go next week?
Yeah,
I'm trying to sell these.
Mine are a little out. I have mine in November, but I bought them before, and then I've been buying some.
Should I do this? Should I do this? Microsoft. All right, let's try it. I'm gonna try some.
I'm doubling down my VKTX shares here.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
It's about to run up right here, so maybe you'll get out in a good spot as it tries to curl up.
I mean, I'm at 2%, so I'm going to 4%. This is just common shares, so it's not like a crazy risk or anything.
Microsoft didn't fill. Let's see if it filled now.
Why isn't it reflecting? VKTX.
Okay, I got some 520 Microsoft calls tomorrow, and it's a little bit. This is how I roll, I guess.
Yeah, you don't mess around.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what happens.
520 tomorrow. Nice looking chart.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
I'm gonna set a limit right away.
And you could tell something was going on before, and then that big sell-off kind of messed it up.
524. So your break even's at 524.5, basically. 524.50.
Yeah.
MSFU is the 2-time bull right there.
All right, you know what? I got to learn a little bit.
I mean, look, again, Ben, I excel more in listening to the show and picking something right at the open, jumping fast, in and out, big size. this one in the middle of the day is also like sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. It's not. I'm not going 10%. You know, I'm going smaller, but yeah, I like it. I like Microsoft. Maybe.
Yeah, I got a little bit. I'll tell you what my allocation is, so you get an idea of how I manage my risk here. I'm at 0.18%. That's what I got. That's what I'm comfortable with. 0.18%.
Okay. What do I have? Let me see. I got.
You know, it's trying to rebound that T-Doc. It's trying to. It was up a little more today, and then it pulled back.
I'm going to sell more ONDS here, although my target. This is nice. I wish I had a bigger size in ONDS today. ONDS selling another 25% of my common shares here.
Adding Microsoft here. Okay, let's have a look. Tesla. Yeah, I don't know. The thinking for me behind Tesla was, you know, like everybody wants to get in. Like if it dips, like there's going to be an underlying bid to pump it up a little somewhere. It might not go green, but if it drops too much, like it was down like 4%, I'm like, I know it wasn't so good, but we had the recent video, and I don't know. I speak to everyone I speak to, even if they're not involved in stocks, they all own Tesla. Like I was having lunch in the office here, and everybody was like, "Oh, I saw Tesla was down." I'm like, "Well, you own it?" "Yeah, I drive one and I own it." Like everybody's in it. So, and if you're not, you want to get in. So,
no, you're 100% right. It's the Elon effect right there. You don't bet against Elon.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And if you do, you're crazy.
Okay, I need to take a screenshot of this.
I mean, just one of the things that he's done in this, like one company's like absolutely. I mean, he's got Neuralink X, he's got Tesla, he's got SpaceX. I mean, could you imagine just doing Neuralink? I mean, you'd probably just put your feet up and call it a life. This guy's got like 900 things that are just absolutely insane. SpaceX, I mean, that's crazy. So yeah,
nice. I made back my OND losses from yesterday.
Nice.
Okay, I'm taking a screenshot of this.
Let's sell a little bit more. I'm now out 50% of ONDS.
Ooh, Microsoft. I'm green now. That's nice. Did I set a limit? I don't know if I'm going to set a limit right away. Let's see what happens.
Tesla move is crazy.
Yeah, I still have 5 calls left. I'm up 120%.
Wow.
Pretty crazy.
I'd say so.
I made a lot on it today, but I lost. So it's like kind of equal.
Yeah, it jumps around. I know exactly what you mean. It happens.
Yeah. I'm just gonna sell and move on.
I gotta say, I am. I don't know if bullish is the right word. Hopeful. I guess I'm a little hopeful that CPI is going to be light tomorrow and the market's going to really rock it. That's kind of where I'm leaning towards.
Yeah.
I'm up $55 on Microsoft.
$55. Look, the two I ran with you, Ben. There you go.
I'm up like $1,000 so far.
Holy crap! That's a huge position.
Team. What's Beyond doing? Beyond's at 330. Nah.
What were you thinking there?
No, I was thinking that it seemed. I mean, now I'm not going to, but it was appealing to short when you were first talking about it. I didn't short at all. I just went long, and it worked out, and I got out, and I didn't short.
Yeah, I nailed the short. Like
the short. You really nailed
yesterday. It was crazy.
Yeah, you did great.
Okay. I'm gonna sell short a few more here on Beyond. I'm gotta keep my size small here. I'm literally I'm short 0.4% right now, like really small size.
LDI is looking good. I like LDI, man. Should I add more though?
All right, I'm 0.35% short. You got to leave room.
What's IWM doing? You think we're gonna get a bigger dip than this? I don't know. Wait, are your plan is to be all out before CPI, or you're gonna like kind of see what happens?
All out of what?
Of IWM?
Oh, maybe I'll keep a little bit. I don't know, honestly. Money like trying to play around these events on index.
Yeah, I've gotten lucky a few times with IWM CPI. Like again, another huge win I had was.
Yeah, my thinking is I have a bunch of risk assets that I swing. Right?
Yeah, so you're right.
So like if IWM goes up, I'll win big with my core account, and if it goes down, why do I want to add to my losses? You know, by having an IWM call option swing. So that's why I usually don't play it. You know?
Should I make my IWM position bigger?
By the way, check out that VKTX now.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
I'm actually now green on VKTX with that average down I did.
There you go. What do I tell you? Get out of that.
Oh wait, did it just drop? Oh, it just dropped.
Just a tiny bit, but it looks like it's just stepping up.
That 20 cents made a difference there.
I bet, but nah, you'll go right back. It looked like a lot of things just kind of dropped in the last minute, as a matter of fact. I just seen the SPY kind of drop. It's all right, though. I think it's going to be stair-stepping down a little bit. It's a weird market, to be honest with you.
I gotta take my loss on AREB. I hate this. I should never go into companies that I don't believe in their fundamentals. It always turns me upside down. I just get too fearful because they could drop an offer and get any second.
I
shouldn't have done this, man. Throwing money away pisses me off. All right, I'm selling this for a loss, AREB, and I'm gonna delete it off my screen.
Get it out of there.
Don't tell me about it.
I don't even look at you.
If it pops, don't tell me about it, please.
Okay. I won't let you know.
Again, I hate these microcap shitcodes with a passion. All right.
TLNX.
Oh, I lost my chance. Oh, I was green for a second on VKTX. All I have is 1,000 shares, but
it looks like it might bounce right back up for you.
Oh, good. IWM is dropping. Let's go.
Oh, okay, nice. Let me see.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. A bunch of them. That last minute, all of a sudden, things started to dip down. I seen the SPY do it.
I'm gonna put a limit for 20.
What are you doing? Tell us all, please.
I know. I think I'm just gonna stick with the 246s tomorrow. That I had a small thing, so I put a limit to buy some at 130.
246. Okay,
I added at 140. So I have like a small size, but like enough. And let's see.
All right, so I'll get a starter position at 134 here. At 133. It's 133 now, right? 132. I didn't buy it yet. 133, 134. I'm just going to buy it up. I just got in at 132. All right, I got a starter position at 132. Which...
It's funny that normally if IWM leads up into the close when the following morning is CPI, I don't know how maybe people know, I don't know what it is, but then CPI is light and it continues. If it's going down all day, it's normally CPI is down, but
they know.
Why it shouldn't, like, enough people shouldn't know to be able to do that. Like,
they have the data already.
Yeah, I'm saying, but who knows?
IWM's pulling back now.
I mean, you could look at Truflation's been pretty accurate. Let me double check. Let me see what Grok says. But ChatGPT was predicting a light CPI for tomorrow. Let me ask Grok now.
I see. So it's all expectation stuff. Did I fill it?
CPI tomorrow based on
kind of pull back.
Tomorrow versus expectation.
Except Tesla. Tesla high of day. I'm not in it anymore, but
Truflation.
Wow.
Truflation and true
sure is.
inflation and other publicly available data. I'm giving the same prompt to Grok that I gave ChatGPT on what? Wait, I just got an alert about RCAT. What was that? Oh, is UMAC? Please, UMAC be up. UMAC. I totally forgot about this. Yeah, I have a bunch of calls.
That might be a good one now. UMAC.
I'm not. All these risk assets are in play, man.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? Like today is just the base. If CPI comes in light tomorrow.
Yeah.
LDI back to 329.
Katos looks real good all of a sudden. Oops, I'm losing money on Harmony. I'm going to get out of Harmony. HRMY taking a loss on this. I don't like that.
Okay, I'm going to hop off, and I'll be back later on.
Microsoft just actually took a little dip, but it should be fine. It looks like it'll be bouncing.
Let us know if you make any big moves on IWM.
Yeah, I think at the moment, I mean, I have a nice size in IWM. Not like too big, but like okay.
What's that? What percent is that? I gotta learn from you.
It's like 3.5%.
3.5%. I'm at. You know what I'm at? 0.14%.
Wow.
Okay, maybe I'll add a little more.
I mean, look, I don't know what my plan is. Maybe like if I'm up big by the end of the day, I'll probably sell half or maybe sell all. Keep. I don't know. My initial plan was, there's going to be a lead up today, so take advantage. But then also maybe to play, potential ITPI tomorrow with a swing, but all depends on the price action today.
Yeah.
Dougie, what do you think about IWM? You think it looks good for today?
Actually, trying to make a base right here. I do think it's going to try to crawl up, but I don't. The market looks like it might try to pull back at the end of the day for some reason. So that's why I just want to look at it. See, it looks like it's kind of coming down towards the middle of the day, and it might be at the very end tries to spike up. That's what it looks like. So maybe we should have waited a couple minutes, and we might have caught better price action. But that's what it looks like. I think it might be running up towards the end, like maybe during lunchtime right now, you're getting that pullback. I'm looking Microsoft SPY, everything just kind of pulling back a hair. And then I do think it'll try to run.
Oh my gosh, look at IBM. Remember last night I was like, I'm gonna make a top pick, and then I researched about why is it down, and when I found the logical reason of why it was down, I'm like, I said no.
Wow, 263 to 280. Wow, that's
my God. You see, I shouldn't ask. I should just go with my instinct. I
know.
Doing too much research is not a good thing.
No.
It's not. You got to look at things superficially and holistically, and just you got to do it.
Yeah.
Wow, these Tesla calls are now 765. Wow. I mean, 30K. Wow.
Wow.
That's crazy.
That is crazy.
Look at that. IBM.
Beautiful.
They opened at $2.03. Now they're $7.60. Wow.
Wow. That's impressive.
Maybe I'll make money on the I still have these 480s that expire tomorrow. Who knows with Tesla?
All right, I'm gonna also get going.
Okay, yeah. I need to have a bite to eat.
Stuff. Me too.
Sounds good. Yeah.
You guys. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
All right. Enjoy the day, everyone.
See ya. Bye.
See ya. MSOS. Canada spike right there, Ross. I just saw it.
Yeah, Ross, is there news on that?
I'll look into that. I always look into the cannabis ones.
Yeah.
Stories up.
I gotta go. All right, I'll look for.
Me too.
I'll look for comments on MSauce in the chat or whatever. All right, take care, guys.
All right, have a good one, everybody.